HIV, you are a part of me, but you do not control me. Well, when I was 9, they just kind of explained that you have this disease that affects your immune system, and if you get sick, like your brother gets sick, your brother may get well in a day or two, but you may stay sick longer. My family told me that the best thing was to keep it a secret, and so I thought, hey, I can't tell anybody, so I was just like, oh, am I ever gonna find anybody who cares about me and who loves me for me? And it was really like depressing, really. I overcame my depression through seeing a psychologist and a social worker. I can either let this be a negative thing in my life and cry and be depressed in bed all the time, or I can turn this into a positive, and that's when I kind of started doing things more positively, competing in pageants and starting working on a blog called Girl Positive, and just everything positive. That's all I wanted in my life, and I just completely got rid of anything that was negative and that was holding me back. And I am known as a peer advocate liaison, and that's basically working with people who are newly diagnosed or have been diagnosed with HIV and are out of care, and I'm trying to get them in care. Unless you're kind of ready to move forward, you're not really going to. So, but I try to remind them that you have something to live for. Find what you have to live for, because that's what helped me. I found what I had to live for. Well, being pregnant definitely makes me just remember, take your medicine every day, don't forget. I know that the best chance of my child not having HIV is for me to take medicine while I'm pregnant and be undetectable at his birth. So I'm doing everything. I'm going to the prenatal visits. I'm taking my medicine every day. I'm trying to make sure that, he has the best start in life possible. And it's just made me so much more aware of my life and just how grateful I should be. And I know it sounds weird, it's like, oh, you have HIV, but honestly, sometimes I'm just like, I wouldn't trade it for the world because it's made me who I am. HIV treatment works. Get in care, stay in care, live well.